Pwede sigurong kainin talaga yun. Ayun na ata, nagparamdam na. Ang lakas nung palag eh. Shout out to my 5 live viewers, no? Thank you so much, guys. You know, nataw naman si Boss Fishing, Boss Enrico. Oh, guys, so many fish, oh. Please watch my live stream, guys, no? If you enjoying this. Oh, that's crazy. So many. See, guys, see many fish, right? Wow, that's a lot of fish. You know? Guys, tingnan nyo ha. Nakagis tayo na medyo malaki. Parang inubos ng isang isda lang yun, oh. Ah! The fish here is so crazy, guys. Eh, see the janitor fish and the jaguar fish. Ang lakas naman, 34. Last one, guys, no? Guys, no, let's feed the fish. Please subscribe to our channel, guys. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell so do you know if we have another post. Guys, please subscribe to our channel. Laki ng bunganga naman nun. Guys, oh. Laki ng isda na yun, oh. This one. This. Wow, so many fish, guys, right now. I hope you are here. Tumal, sanay yung mga viewers ko sa action. Hmm. Gusto ng mga viewers ko yung ano eh, actionan talaga eh. Yung may nahabol eh. Wow, guys, so look at the fish right now. Crazy. The fish are crazy, guys. You see?